Blister packaging slide table machine, 光动只要炸。Welding. Let's take a look at the finished product. It's pretty much perfect, right? Let's see how it's done. First, put the plastic blister into the mold groove. Then put the paper card over it. We just need to wait. Here's the operator panel. All the settings are on top, simple and clear. Let's take a look at the freshly welded product. Tight fit, easy to tear off edges. Thanks for watching.